calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk.
Hey y'all, welcome to Day in the Life with me as a full-time day trader. You're gonna spend the whole Saturday with me, but first things first, we gotta get a workout in, y'all. We're going to eat a lot today and I need to feel guilt-free when I do that. So I'm here at my gym with my husband. We're gonna get a workout in and then we're gonna go to an awesome new restaurant in Miami, try out a brunch spot for my friend's birthday, my bestie's birthday. And then in the evening, we are gonna hang out in Miami a little bit, so you're gonna come and run around with us. And then we're gonna go on a boat later on to celebrate another friend's birthday, Mike's friend's birthday. So lots of celebrating, but first things first, let's get this workout in. Come on, let's go.
What you said, Nolan?
When's the last time you saw him?
How you got so well?
The aquarium and the hotel.
Okay,
Does
he look the same?
No, he looks bigger.
But still sweet. Is that so? He's still Louis the Beluga, right? So the little backstory of the clip you just seen with our son was that when we were in Georgia just a couple of days ago, or like last weekend, we went to the aquarium and the animal he loved was the beluga whale. So we got him a plushie, the beluga whale, the Louis the Beluga whale. We went back to the hotel, y'all, packed up everything. We had our early morning flight and we left the beluga whale at the hotel, y'all, and he was freaking out. So what we did, Mike, when we realized, act like he was getting a phone call from the hotel and said, oh yeah, they're gonna ship it. You know where I went? Amazon Prime.com, saved the day. And y'all, how was I supposed to know this was gonna be a fatter beluga whale? And he noticed. He was like,
no, he looks bigger.
So whatever, you know, it's a parenting win. He noticed, but he
told me he ate a lot.
He said he ate a lot on the way down. So anywho, I would call that a parenting win. We made him happy and we didn't lose. And we are now at the parking. We're about to go into brunch for now at Nueve in Miami and Wynwood. We're gonna show you. If there's no music, we'll be able to talk a little bit more. But let's go to have brunch. Alright y'all, so brunch was a success. We're here at the Aventura Mall. We're about to go waste some time. Hopefully not buy anything, but I'm not promising that. We have a few hours, so let's go walk around and maybe shop?
No, we ain't doing no shopping.
Maybe shop. Maybe.
Window shop. A lot of window shopping.
Window and then you have a bag. Let's go and see what they have in the store.
Alright, let's do it.
We are at our second event for the day. We are here at the Doc Outfit Change. Steve Madden Mules. Love these girls. This top is from Old Navy. Funny enough, oldie but goodie H&M jeans, and this is my oldie but goodie Louis bag that literally is like luggage, but is doing everything. Oh, so nonetheless, y'all, we waiting for the birthday boy. It's a surprise. I don't know if he knows we're here, but we're about to get on the boat here at the marina, have an awesome night. Gonna take you on with us, and we can go hop on a boat and enjoy the weather. So come along with us and enjoy this night cruise with us, all right?